examples on all the topics. So just I showed you how to work with the web UI. Web UI, all files were discussed. How to write, how to use this under this web UI, how to use HTML4 and 5. So first topic we discussed here, how to use HTML topic. HTML generally it will create the content of the web page. CSS will give you alignment of the web page. And third topic is JavaScript. It will give you functionality of browser. So browser side functionalities we can do it with JavaScript. So this way JavaScript gives you functionality of browser. So in this time we'll understand how to work with JavaScript, that is browser side functionality, how to do it we'll understand here. Next one is jQuery. Here jQuery time we'll understand how to use. Yesterday I showed two examples, jQuery cycle.js, ripple.js. Like that we'll download different jQuery files. jQuery is nothing but it's external library of JavaScript. It is also a JavaScript library. How to use that external JavaScript library we can understand with this jQuery. Next we'll move on to the fifth topic is Ajax. Here Ajax, and the sixth one is responsive design. Ajax is nothing but it's asynchronous JavaScript and XML. How to use that asynchronous process to create what is the synchronous and what is the asynchronous process, what is the difference between those two, and how to work with that we'll understand in this Ajax. Here next, responsive design. Here responsive code, totally responsive code, how to use it we'll understand under this responsive design. Then seventh one will be Bootstrap. Here Bootstrap will understand here how to use that Bootstrap coding. Bootstrap here it is a framework. It's a framework of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we call it as Bootstrap. How to use that Bootstrap coding we'll understand under this. Here next one is here less and the SAS programming. Here less and SAS programming. And ninth one will be the project. So like this I'll explain all the topics in our course. Here like this I'll explain all the topics in our course. Okay, here project usually I'll take Saturday session. Lessons as are superset for the CSS, and Bootstrap is a ready-made framework of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like that I explained each and every topic related explanation in the last 3 classes. Okay, just if you are not attended any of my class, please try to get that recording from the organizer. By that it will be helpful to continue our classes from the next week. Here today will be the last day of demo, but I am continuing the first topic of our course. But for this week it will be the last day. Next week Monday onwards I'll start my first session. Today only 2 students join in the class, maybe holiday mode. Today is holiday and tomorrow is also holiday, Good Friday and all. Because of that reason only 2 students joined today class. I'll continue next 15 minutes on our class. I'll continue on the first topic of our course. I already gave explanation what is the use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that basic part of coding I explained to you. Next I am going to explain how to work with first topic of our course, that is HTML. Today I'll explain that. But after 15 minutes I'll stop my session. I'll continue from Monday. Only few students came today, so that's why I'm in plan to continue our classes, our regular sessions. I want to start from Monday. Okay. Here, first topic of our course is.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you.
Sorry.
Can you just you are covering the all topics in Jquery and Ajax?
Yes. You can get my course content from organizer. You can see in the DURGASOFT website.
Oh, okay. Actually, I'm working on the Salesforce, so I want just Jquery and Ajax and CSS and JavaScript. So what topics I can't get, what topics are to be covered in that?
Jquery, I'll explain 4 to 5 Jquery files. Jquery cycle.js, Jquery UI.js, Jquery 3.6.0.js, like that we'll download few jQueries, we'll use those jQueries in our project, and I'll use it how to work with Ajax code. That Ajax I'll explain with JavaScript Ajax and the jQuery Ajax. In responsive design time, I'll explain to you how to work with responsive design. Here how to show our output in desktop, in laptop, in mobile, in all different resolutions, how to show our output I'll explain to you in the responsive design. And Bootstrap is a ready-made framework. Like that, each and every topic I'll explain to you. In JavaScript, I'll explain how to work with validations, cookies, animation. You can get my course content. From there, you can understand how much I'll go. Object-oriented programming, closures, prototypes, all I'll explain to you in jQuery, JavaScript programming. Okay.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yes. Here we are in HTML. HTML is used for creating the content of the web page. Here HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's a hypertext markup language. It is mainly used for creating the tag-based programming. Here it is a tag-based programming. So what is a tag? Here tag is nothing but it's an instruction to the browser. So tag is nothing but it's an instruction to browser. We can give instruction to the browser in the form of tags. These tags are divided into two types. Two types of tags we have. So one is paired tag. Here one is paired tag. Second one is unpaired tag. Here unpaired tag. So two types of tags we have. So one is paired tag, another one is unpaired tag. Like this we can write it. Here under this paired tag, here paired tag. So completely we are going to write a tag based programming. Here under this tags, we can write it here how to start our opening tag. So we write the tag name like this and we'll close the tag like this. Here unpaired tag, here itself we'll write the tag name like this and here itself we'll close the tag like this. This is unpaired tag. We can write it two types of tags. One is paired tag, another one is unpaired tag. We can write like this. This way we can write it here our tags. Basic of HTML page always. Here basic of HTML page we always starts with the doc type. Without writing any code, you can write any HTML page, you can save it. Anywhere you can write your program, Notepad, Notepad++, Edit+, or you can download any editor to write this program. VS Code, Dreamweaver, WebStorm, WebSphere, any IDE you can download. I will use VS Code to write the program. If I save any name, if I save my file with any name .html, just one empty file, if you save it, if you run with the browser, you can see that blank page code will be here in the inspect element of the browser. You can see here HTML root tag, HTML start, HTML close. Here under this, we can write it here head start, head close. And here itself we can write it here body tag start, body tag close. Like this we can write it our HTML page. Even if you don't write any code in your HTML page, just if you save your a file with .html, so automatically it will be a HTML page. It will give you this type of output. Here now in this time, here by default according to W3C rule, if you write your coding for your web page, we always start with a doc type and HTML. So completely some tags we are going to write it inside the HTML page. Inside the HTML page, completely we are going to write some tags. Those tags are always starts between less than and greater than. Doc type is a special tag. It starts with exclamation mark, and doc type it gives the information. It gives the information to the browser. It is a document type of. Here it is a document type of doc type HTML. Here the type of document is HTML. That way we can write. Here type of document is HTML. That way we can write our coding. Doc type HTML in the sense here we are writing here the document type of HTML. Next we can write it here doc type HTML. Here HTML tag, head tag and body tag we can write like this. Here inside this head tag we can write it here CSS code. JavaScript code, jQuery code, something we are going to write. Means whatever course content we have, the total course content we are going to write it inside the head section. Here inside this head section, here inside this header part only, we are going to write our total coding. The total coding is here, doc type is nothing but it's a document type. What type of document we are writing here, that comes under doc type. HTML tag and header tag and body tag, we can write it. Here script, inside the script only we write CSS code with a style tag. Here we write that style tag start, style tag close, like this. By this way we can write CSS code. And inside the HTML page only we write JavaScript code. That we write it with the script tag. Here itself we can write it here, script start, script close. By that I can write JavaScript code. And we can add jQuery code inside this. For that also we write it here, script. Under the script only we'll write our code. Here like this. This way we can write it our script tag. Here what we are doing here, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax. Here Ajax coding we write it inside the script code. Here Ajax coding also we are writing here inside the script tag. So this way we can write our total coding. Here we are able to write our CSS code, JavaScript code, Ajax code, like this. All codes we can write it inside the HTML page by all these. Here I am able to write HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript code. By all these way we can write our coding. Here in this time what I am doing here, doc type, HTML, head and body. Here document type what I am using here, that comes under doc type. And CSS code, JavaScript code, jQuery code, even Bootstrap and responsive design code also we write it inside the head section. So what we are going to write it inside the body? Inside this body we are going to write content of the web page. That content will be what images you are showing, what content you are showing, heading or a paragraph, what content you are showing inside the body. That comes under body tag of the application. Inside the body we are going to show how to write our coding. Here you can understand how to work with body content. How to work with body content we can understand under this body tag. Under this body tag, how to display our coding, that will understand totally in the HTML page. How to write our HTML coding, you will understand and totally with the HTML tags. So up to now, whatever we discussed, that is here doc type, HTML, head and body is used for creating the HTML content. Here CSS code, JavaScript code, jQuery code, Ajax code, I am going to write it inside the here CSS code, JavaScript code, jQuery code, something I am going to write it inside my application. So that application will be displayed on the browser. See, even if you check this page also, you can see here doc type, HTML, head and body. Here this training link, it is displaying with the doc type, HTML, head and body. So I'm going to cover you in the Monday session. What tags we are going to write it inside the body, that comes under first topic of our course. Here in our first topic of our course, see here it is doc type, here HTML root tag, here head tag and body tag. Head tag is adding CSS code, JavaScript code, jQuery code, Ajax. Body tag is adding content, tabular form content, red color content, means table of content, some headings, some logo image, left and right logo images. Here this content. These all the way we can display our output. So in the Monday session, I'm going to continue here how to write div tag, how to write table tags, how to write script tag, how to write, okay, not script, how to write images, how to write div tags, table tags. All I'll explain to you in the Monday session. Okay, so as of now, I'm taking just only short session for today, but I'll continue longer session from Monday. Why? Because today only 1 or 2 students joined in today's class. That's why I'm taking short class. I'll continue from Monday onwards. I'm expecting more students. Till yesterday, all students joined, but today and maybe I'm not expecting tomorrow will join. Because of holiday mode, they are not joining in the classes. So I'll continue our classes from Monday. Who completed their registration, they can continue from the Monday onwards in the new link. Link will change from Monday class. That's it for today. Nikhil, any doubts now?
Ma'am, just tried calling DURGASOFT actually today for
Okay.
registration, but they
Okay.
didn't explain anything. They said you just go to the link and register for today also. So like that only, again I registered and I joined like
Okay.
demo.
I'm saying that confirm your batch with them. You're going to
Uh,
continue the batch.
yes, but I should tell them, right? They're not
Yes.
giving clarity actually.
Oh, okay. I'll inform to them. Definitely you will get talk with Bhavani ma'am. Inform to them to
Okay,
talk to Bhavani ma'am.
okay, okay,
Yeah, that's
okay.
it.
Yeah, from
Any,
Monday, right? The actual class will start.
yeah, actual class starts from Monday.
Okay,
Tomorrow. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, that's it for today. We'll meet Monday for the continuation of class. Thank you.